In every one of my projects, whether it's a sim racing pedal set, the CNC router, or the robotic arm, there's one tool that always shows up: CAD. But for some reason, CAD has this weird stigma. People think it's hard to learn, takes forever, or is just for professionals. But that's complete nonsense. In 2025, learning CAD is easier than ever. And if you stick around, I'll prove it to you. Before CAD, engineers had to hand draw every one of their designs on massive sheets of paper. If you messed up, tough luck. Erase and redraw. But everything changed in 1960 thanks to these people: Dr. Patrick Henratty and Ivan Sutherland. Ivan Sutherland developed Sketchpad in 1963, the first ever computer-aided design program. It let engineers draw directly on a screen with a light pen, something unheard at the time. But while Sketchpad was a breakthrough, it was Dr. Henratty who made CAD what it is today. His software, Adam, laid the foundation for modern CAD programs like AutoCAD and SolidWorks. So why learn CAD? Simple. Imagine bringing your ideas to life by simply designing it and then manufacturing it, and not going through the hassle of designing it on paper, giving it to a manufacturer who then has to understand and imagine it. It doesn't matter if you're into 3D printing, CNC machining, robotics, or product design. CAD is the foundation of it all. Let's get you started. There are many softwares in the market currently right now, like SolidWorks, CATIA, Siemens NX, etc. But I will suggest beginners to use Fusion 360. It's free for students, works on most PCs, and is very beginner friendly. CAD has three main fundamentals. First, sketch in 2D, convert into 3D, and then add features. Here's a demonstration for you. You start with a sketch, just like drawing on paper. Then you extrude it into 3D. And from there, it's just refining the shape. Here's a quick tip. Hovering over any tool shows you its function and a shortcut. Let's put that into action by making a simple project, a phone stand. This is the concept design that I will use to make it. I will select the side view plane just as in the design, and following 3-step process, I will simply sketch the phone stand. Then I will extrude it, and in between add the feature for the charging cable wire. Then I'll refine the shape by adding simple fillets and increasing the thickness in the parts which I feel require it. And then make a final cutout for the charging port. This process, sketch, extrude, refine, is the backbone of CAD. And just like that, you have a functional design ready to print. Imagine all the custom parts you can design just by learning this. CAD isn't scary. It's actually one of the easiest skills to pick up in 2025, and it unlocks so many possibilities. And lastly, if you're serious about making things, hit subscribe, because I have got tons of videos coming on 3D printing, CNC machining, and much more. Like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next one.